Suspending a zone. Suspending zones stops irrigation on that part of the system temporarily, with an automatic return to irrigation on a date you choose. This is helpful for performing maintenance, repairs, or shutting down the system for a season that doesn't require irrigation, sometimes known as winterizing. You can even set a date in the future to suspend one or all zones, for example, when having an event, such as a party. Suspending a zone or multiple zones. From the app, tap the Actions button in the navigation bar menu at the bottom of the page. Find and press the Suspended Zones icon. Select either Select All at the top right to automatically select all zones, or toggle on a single zone at a time to meet your needs. In this example, only one zone will be selected, the rear lawn main, by pressing the desired zone name. Scroll to the bottom of the page. To suspend the zone immediately, leave the toggle on. Next, select a date for it to automatically turn back on by choosing a date to resume watering. Tap the desired date to return the zone to its previous watering schedule. The zone will remain suspended until this date occurs. When you've made your selection, press Done. Once all the zones have been selected and the dates are set up, tap Suspend at the top right of the page. You'll be returned to the home screen, where your zone Rear Lawn Main is faded out and has a No Water icon for that specific zone. However, if you wish to cancel a zone suspension, it can easily be turned back on. From the home page in the app, tap the zone with the suspension, which is, in this example, Rear Lawn Main. Beneath the zone name and image, a banner will read Zone Suspension. On the right of the banner, press the trash can icon. You'll be asked to confirm. Once the deletion of the suspension has been made, tap the back button to return to the home screen. The suspension has been removed, and watering will continue as per the program's previously set schedules.